Hello everyone. Today I just thought of sharing my story with you. Let me first tell you a few things. This story will be will come from my heart, and there is nothing written, no pointers written. It's just so close to my heart that I just wanted to share it with you so that if anybody here feels stuck or feel that like there is a lot of self doubt, I cannot do it, I'm not good enough, all these, you can actually come out of that and work on yourself little hard, little fast, so that you grow and you chase your dreams and you ultimately reach your goal. My name is Ranjana Ghoshal and I am a growth acceleration coach and a life coach. Well, now I've got two boys and they are both lawyers and they are working. So let me just tell you why did I mention all these. Years back when I was not married, I always wanted to do something. I wanted to earn, I wanted to do something of my own. I wanted to be I wanted to be known as someone who's doing something which is which can be mentioned, like something which can make me feel famous. And I always thought of doing some work which would make me also happy. But I got married early, and then I became mother of two boys, and I hardly had any time to do all this. Years passed, and I was taking care of my home and my boys and my husband, my family, and life went by. But at the back of my mind, something kept telling me, my inner voice, that Ranjana, you wanted to do something of your own, and now you're not doing anything. You are watching Saas Bahu serials, you are just looking here and there, thinking of, what next, but there is no feeling of achievement in you. And I used to think, how can I change this? And believe me, gradually I started becoming anxious, I started feeling depressed, because I realized that whatever I wanted to do in my life, I was just not able to do. And I was aging, and that time I did not know age is just a number. This way, in 2006, one of my very good friends, she came and told me that, Ranjana, do you want to do something? And I got very easily, I got through an international school, and I started teaching there in the high school. It was a good journey, it was nice, but then what happened is I realized that I didn't want to do that. And then also I became a victim of some politics in the organization, and I did not have that ability to voice my opinion. I did not have the ability to stand for myself in those days, because I always thought that I'm not good enough and I'm not doing anything, and that used to give me a lot of low self-esteem. So years passed by, and one day when like in the school, in that organization, I had to leave because I could not take in the politics anymore. And believe me, it was not the politics that happened was not really very good, and I still feel that I should have fought back, but that's okay. Whatever happens for good. After that, I started some personality development classes from my home. And to my utter surprise, I started getting quite a few clients, and I started training different kind of people, all from home. And then gradually I started a company called Skill Arcade. It's a tiny little company, my own baby. It's like my setup. And Skill Arcade started growing, and then I actually had like a team. I do have a team right now, and my team started helping me, and today whatever I'm a growth coach, I'm helping people, and I have received quite a few awards, like the Woman Icon of the Year in the education industry, in 2017. So all these started making me feel really great, and I finished a lot of certifications lot of programs, and now I can't even remember half of the things. But you know what happened is I took it up as a challenge. I realized growth is a human need, and I was feeling low because I was feeling stagnated. And believe me, if you feel stagnated, you feel depressed, you feel anxious, you are stuck completely. So I realized that growth is the need of the hour, and I worked on myself day in, day out. And today, wherever I am, I'm very happy with it because I could do something which I wanted to do. So, my dear friends, whenever you feel that you're not good enough, or you are stuck, or you want to do something but you don't know where to go, believe me, there is always a way. Just sit and think what you want to do, how you want to do, get clarity, get your direction, perform well, keep growing, and then you will definitely see your success. Please work on yourself. If I can do it, you can do it too. And I always deep from my heart wish everybody that if you feel stuck, just work on yourself a bit, not too hard, and start believing that yes, I am good enough, I can do it, and I just need to know what is the direction I need to take. Get that clarity, be aware, be mindful, and start working. Believe me, you will be successful one day. So keep going, keep growing. All the best. Bye bye.